आज सांगली में आईडीबीआई बैंक के पीछे आईडीबीआई का ही जनरेटर की दुरुस्ती का जो काम करने वाले कर्मचारी थे, वहाँ वो काम चलते हुए एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और उस ब्लास्ट हुआ है और उस ब्लास्ट में 2 व्यक्तियों की डेथ हुई है और एक की स्थिति क्रिटिकल है, बाकी 5 की स्थिति अभी ठीक है। घटनास्थल का पूरा मुआवजा करने के बाद ये पाया गया है कि गैस कटर, ये जो उपकरण है, ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट में ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर और एलपीजी सिलेंडर का इस्तेमाल किया गया और इसमें तांत्रिकी खराबी के कारण शायद 2 गैस का मिक्सचर हुआ है, वो गैस बैकफायर हुआ है और उसमें जो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर डेवलप होकर एक एक्सप्लोजन हुआ है और उस एक्सप्लोजन में बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे स्प्लिंटर्स पैदा हुए, प्रेशर पैदा हुआ। उस स्प्लिंटर्स की वजह से वहाँ के बिल्डिंग की विंडोज़ को एट द सेम टाइम वहाँ की कंपाउंड वॉल को बहुत हानि पहुँची है। उसमें घटनास्थल पे पूरा मुआयना करने के बाद, बीडीडीएस का परीक्षण होने के बाद, स्नाइपर डॉग का परीक्षण होने के बाद कोई संदेहजनक स्थिति या कोई आर्टिकल पाया नहीं गया। प्राइमा फेसी ये लग रहा है कि एक टेक्निकल एक्सीडेंट है।
Industrial gases used for industrial applications consist of flammable gases along with oxygen. This indispensable combination is used for applications such as welding and cutting, heating, forming, hardening or surface treatment, and for many such applications. Fuel gases such as acetylene and ethylene, propane and propylene, butane or methane or hydrogen mixed with oxygen have proven their value and are safe when handled correctly. However, if these gases are not handled properly, a dangerous situation can arise at any time, mainly due to faulty operations and human error, besides technical faults. For example, in the event of a flashback, the flame travels through the gas hose at twice the speed of sound, thus making it impossible to intervene manually and prevent the accident. The worst case scenario: explosion of the compressed gas cylinder or a gas tank. To avoid such hazardous circumstances, Adore Welding Limited has developed products having high safety features which comply with both national as well as international safety standards. Let us see how AWL's gas cutting products enhance the safety of users through continual technological development. Shown is a gas cutting setup with AWL's King series of products. It consists of 2 gas cylinders, one with oxygen and the other contains a fuel gas such as acetylene or LPG. There is an oxygen gas regulator and a fuel gas regulator paired with regulator mounted flashback arresters. The gas hoses for oxygen are demarcated by blue, while red color indicates fuel gas hose. This setup also consists of a pair of torch-mounted flashback arresters for both oxygen and fuel gas and also includes a gas-cutting torch. Let us understand in brief about AWL's King series of products with its unique features for enhanced safety. An oxygen gas regulator, either of single-stage or 2-stage design, is fitted to an oxygen gas cylinder. Similarly, either acetylene or LPG gas regulator is fitted to the gas cylinder depending upon fuel gas used. The function of a gas regulator is to reduce the high pressure in the gas cylinder to the desired pressure for the particular operation. Let us now see in detail about single-stage and 2-stage gas regulators. In single-stage regulators, high pressure gas in the cylinder is reduced in a single stage to the required gas pressure. This is done by rotating the pressure adjustment knob. In two-stage gas regulators, the required outlet gas pressure reduction takes place in two stages. The outlet gas pressure remains fairly constant even if gas pressure in the cylinder keeps on reducing due to its consumption, as some amount of gas at fixed intermediate pressure is always available in the first stage of the regulator. However, in a single-stage regulator, outlet pressure reduces as the cylinder pressure keeps on reducing due to gas consumption. Hence, two-stage regulator is preferred where continuous gas cutting or welding operation is to be done. Single-stage regulators can be used for cutting small plates in which operation is intermittent. Let us have a look at the working principle of the single-stage gas regulator. Here, gas enters from the inlet into the regulator body at the bottom of the valve assembly. High pressure gas from the cylinder is retained and its pressure is seen in the inlet pressure gauge, also called as a cylinder pressure gauge. As the pressure adjustment knob is rotated clockwise, the bonnet spring gets compressed. This in turn presses the valve spindle, due to which the gas starts flowing into the outlet chamber. The pressure of this outlet gas can be seen in the outlet pressure gauge as the gas flows to the outlet of the regulator. When the outlet chamber is filled with the gas, it exerts a force, that is, pressure, on the flexible rubber diaphragm, which in turn closes the path of the gas flow by moving the valve spindle upwards. This functionality helps to prevent extreme gas pressure in the outlet chamber. This happens continuously in the regulator, and hence the rubber diaphragm keeps moving up and down during use. Because of such continuous up and down movement, a plain rubber diaphragm used in local make regulators may rupture. If diaphragm ruptures, gas will leak from the side holes of the bonnet. If the leaked gas is fuel gas, then it may catch fire. The diaphragms used in AWL's King series regulators are of special profile design, molded with reinforced cloth, inserted in between the rubber for extra strength and durability, which works continuously without rupturing. Valve spindle used in local make regulators have a metallic wire which is of small diameter. Hence, it may bend easily due to inlet gas pressure from below and bonnet spring pressure from top, and also due to its continuous up and down movement. Bending of this valve spindle may lead to variations in outlet gas pressure, resulting in improper gas sealing at valve seat, thus leading to gas leakage. The valve spindle used in King series of AWL regulators is heavy-duty in nature and made of stainless steel material. It has precision-polished surface for proper gas on-off control and gas sealing. The valve material used in other make regulators is of rubber, which may get damaged frequently. This may lead to improper gas sealing in valve assembly, thus resulting in gas leak, which will increase gas pressure below diaphragm, due to which safety relief valve may leak or diaphragm may rupture. The King series of AWL regulators uses Teflon make sealing valves for precise gas sealing. Also, gas outlet of the King regulators is downwards. This prevents the gas hose from bending, thereby increasing the life of hose. However, the gas outlet in most of the other make regulators is horizontal to the ground, due to which gas hose gets cracked easily. All these special features of AWL Make King regulator makes it safe, more durable, reliable and trouble-free. This is about the functioning of the regulator. Now, let's see the features of King Protect Flashback Arresters. A regulator mounting type flashback arrestor fitted on outlet of the regulator is a multi-stage protection system based on dry type flashback arrestor that stops the backfire or flashback of gases. The role of a flashback arrestor is to provide protection against such catastrophic failures. Flashback arresters have revolutionized accident prevention with fuel gases and are widely used all over the world today. A modern quality flashback arrestor of Adore Welding Limited has at least 3 protection elements, that is, layers, a gas non-return valve, a flame arrestor, and a temperature-sensitive cutoff valve. Let us now understand flashback arrestor in more detail. If a hazardous situation arises due to an unwanted gas flow through the gas hose, the spring-loaded non-return valve comes into action. It stops the return flow instantaneously, thereby preventing the formation of an explosive gas mixture. On the other hand, if the flashback occurs, it is stopped immediately by the key element of the flashback arrestor, the hollow cylinder filter made from sintered chrome nickel steel. Only with this technology can flames from the flashback be prevented. This outstanding technical feature is based on a highly porous structure of cylinder filter. Incoming flames break up into an extended labyrinth, thereby losing their energy in cooling, thus extinguishing flames in a fraction of a second. Temperature-sensitive cutoff valve is the third important protection element. Its integrated plastic body melts, and the spring-loaded valve triggers before the device can heat dangerously. This automatic interruption of the gas supply prevents gases from reaching critical ignition temperature at the gas inlet. Dangerous backburning is stopped at a source, thereby ensuring complete safety. Filters in gas inlet provide protection to flashback arrestor against dirt. Flashback arrestors from Adore Welding Limited are compact and robust, hence can be installed anywhere irrespective of its orientation. It is highly recommended to fit flashback arrestors at the outlet of regulators and at the inlet of torches for operator and equipment safety in case backfire or flashback occurs. In many countries, this is a statutory requirement by law. AWL's King hoses are especially designed and manufactured for gas cutting and welding applications and are quite robust to withstand rough shop floor conditions. These are manufactured with high tensile reinforced yarn. Safe working pressure of King hose is 15 bar and it does not bulge till the working pressure exceeds 15 bar. Similarly, it has a minimum bursting pressure of 55 bar and therefore does not burst till the gas pressure exceeds 55 bar. Now, let us see features of the AWL's gas cutting torch. These torches are also called as blowpipes by some users. AWL make King NM gas cutting torches have a unique nozzle mix technology with a 3 stainless steel seamless tube design for mixing of fuel gas, preheat oxygen and cutting oxygen gas. These gases are mixed only in cutting nozzle. However, in local make cutting torches called as injector mix type or 2-seat type cutting torch. The fuel gas and preheat oxygen gas are mixed in an injector assembly near the handle of the torch. Hence, in case of backfire or flashback, the flame may immediately travel back to the handle, and then the high temperature flame can burn or melt the brass tubes of the torch, leading to fatal injury to the operator. This situation is avoided by using AWL's nozzle mix technology torches. Let us understand the functioning of King NM gas cutting torch. Fuel gas such as acetylene or LPG flows in lowermost tube. Preheated oxygen flows in middle tube and cutting oxygen flows through uppermost tube. Due to this, the flame cannot travel back in the torch as there are 3 separate tubes for each gas, and alone these gases cannot burn. This translates into a high safety for user. Similarly, the King NM cutting torch is all metallic from outside to withstand rough shop floor conditions. Whereas in other makes such as 2-seat type cutting torches, the gas control knobs and handle are made of non-metallic materials, resulting in frequent breakdown and hence frequent maintenance. The inlet coupler in King NM cutting torch is a separate removable component which can be replaced if its threads get damaged. However, in local make cutting torches, inlet threads are integrated into the torch body. Hence, whole brass body needs to be replaced if the inlet threads gets damaged. In the King NM torch, all 3 stainless steel tubes are silver braced at both ends. Hence, there is no chance of gas leakage from these joints. Whereas, in other make cutting torches, one end of both brass tubes has threaded connection, which increase chances of gas leakages from these threaded joints. After understanding the torch, now let's get a brief about gas cutting nozzle. AWL offers highly safe 3-seat type gas cutting nozzle with NM technology. In 3-seat type nozzle, mixing of preheat oxygen gas and fuel gas happens inside the nozzle, whereas in 2-seat type cutting nozzle, mixing of gases takes place in the injector assembly fitted in the cutting torch. The benefit of this NM technology is that if the nozzle holes get blocked due to molten metal clogging, then the flame will not be able to come out of the nozzle. This results in the flame traveling back and burning the gas mixtures inside the nozzle. Since the amount of this gas mixture is very less in 3-seat type nozzle, the flame will burn this mixture and will extinguish or reignite with a new supply of gas mixtures. However, in 2-seat type nozzle, the flame may travel back up to the cutting torch and further up to the regulator, leading to a hazardous situations. This re-emphasizes and establishes Ador Welding Limited as a market leader and the most respected brand in the welding fraternity, making it a naturally preferred choice for complete welding and cutting solutions.